All right, guys, I already got here to Brentwood, Tennessee. I'm gonna go try this place here. The reviews were like, I guess, somewhat decent. They said it's like one of the best sushi places around the area, so we'll see. I'll show you guys when we get in there and everything. This is how the place looks like inside. Pretty cool. Okay, this is where we're staying. Okay, Cutie, what's your first impression of the place?
It's decent for the price. Pretty good.
So first things first, I like that they have a desk because, you know, you never know when you got to do some work. Standard phone. Got a place where you can plug your laptop. They got a little mini fridge, a microwave, a little sink. This is our food. We've got to show you guys how that looks like. And then, you know, that's usual standard for you to make your coffee or tea. And then you got pretty good couch here. Got some lamps. Let's see the view on this thing. I have no idea what the view is. Oh, beautiful view to the parking lot. At least the TV is pretty big. It looks pretty decent. Here's the bed. And they also have a big screen TV here, as well as your alarm clock. Little drawers. Your TV right there. More drawers. Also, again, this is to let you know that they, in fact, did clean the remote before you got here for COVID. And you walk in through this door here. And in the entrance, there's a way to go to the bathroom as well. So there's two ways to get to the bathroom. Standard bathroom there. Here's your shower. That's your closet. We already put our stuff in there. And pretty decent closet. There's your iron board. There's a little safe right there. There's your mirror. Here's your sink. This is with the soaps that they give you. Not that bad. So all in all, I'm gonna say it's a pretty good room for the price. All right, guys. Here we got the sushi. Got the crab rangoon in here. The lo mein. And this right here, you can't really see it. I don't want to open it quite yet. That's a shrimp. Got some like spring rolls in here. So we'll see how this food tastes. Here's a little bit of a view of the place. I'm sure they have pictures online, but it looks like this. I mean, pretty neat, I would say. Here's a view from this side. Some of the places are not open because of COVID. Little restaurants that they had here. But once it goes back to normal, hopefully they open it up. Here's the view from inside the elevator. And we're going down. Gonna be on the little place you can chill there. Got ATM. That's pretty much it, guys. Okay, guys, we're heading to Georgia. How you feel, Kitty?
Sleepy.
Sleepy? I feel pretty decent. My eyes are much better. Got about 3 more hours to go. We're enjoying the little nature that is Tennessee on our way out. Hopefully, I'm gonna go past Atlanta, so hopefully I'm gonna avoid traffic for the next half of the road trip. Heading to Florida afterwards. Alright, guys, so we couldn't get our room for today, so we had to stay in another hotel. So far, I think this one's a little bit dirty on the dirty side. Like the other one was a little bit dirty, but not as dirty as this one, I feel. It just feels like it's a little bit more dirty, no?
Yeah, like the control had that sticker that says it was sanitized, but it had a spot on it. Yeah. And I wiped it and it went away. And I wiped all the tables and stuff and they were all dirty.
Bathroom, you know, pretty standard room, guys. Anyway, that's all I have to say about this one. Okay, guys, you see the kitchen area as soon as you walk in.
Ready for some
Little dining room.
I like this kitchen though.
Nice little couches here. And that's your TV right there. Pool area. There's the pool. A little bit of a closet there. You got a nice TV with the drawers there. And then you got a nice little tub. You got the 2 sinks there. You got your shower. And then your toilet to handle the business. And right here is also a door to go outside. Come over here. There's another bathroom here. This is just the half bath. I think a little closet right there. This right here is your washer and dryer. So there's your ironing board. They got an iron over there. And then over here is your garage. So pretty cool. Pretty big size garage. Here's a closet. Now we're gonna go up the stairs. It's a little bit of a walk up there, but okay guys, you can walk up here into another little living room area. Really cool, little lamps, artwork over here on the walls. Nice little entertainment center here. You got your TV. Now up here, interesting enough, you got a desk. You get a nice bedroom here with a little TV, closet. You get 2 twin beds here. Okay. Walking out of the room, turn to the right. You get yourself another bathroom here. You go straight ahead here. Same scenario. If you guys got kids that love Batman, here you go. Other living room area. And then you got yourself another, I guess you said another master right here. King size bed, TV, got a closet, got drawers down there. Am I lying? No. And you got yourself a bathroom here. Okay, walk straight ahead. You got yourself another bathroom. Walk straight ahead here, another closet. Over here you got yourself a full mattress. You got a closet over there, drawers, nice big TV. Yes, you got 2 twin beds here.